In this video, we can discuss about how we can replace this particular default page with our page. Okay, so this is the one of the challenging tasks which we have to do in this video, and we can understood how we can remove the default page which is login we are seeing as of now. If you click on the login, we are going to the default Springboard security login page. We don't want to go to that page, we have to go with our custom page. Okay, so how we can create those pages and how we can deal with that. Okay, so let's go with that and let us design those project for that. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to replace this particular page. So for that I need one page. Okay, so I am going to create one page. So let's copy this sign up page and let's try to paste it here, and I will change the name called login page. Okay, login.html, and just save it. So this is the login page which we have created. Go inside this and let's change the some name which is register page to login page. Okay, maybe it's a login, so we have to write login. Okay, and method is post. Okay, and this is not a register page, login users. Okay, and apart from this we have to send the username, and here we have to send need as a password those fields, and we have to submit it. That's it. Okay, once user successfully done, we have to print those messages. It's not required, but let it be. Okay, so login is done, login page is done, but how people will call? If they click on the /login, it should go to our APIs, right? So for that we have to create one controllers. So I will create one something called login controllers, or in the home.controller itself we can manage, that is also fine. So let's go with the get mapping, and whenever request will come with /login with get, we can send to the get login page, and this is the login. Okay, so now the application will give our login page preference first. Okay, and let's go to the browsers and let's try this first. So go to the main page and click on the login page. You are still going to the this page. Okay, so we have to do some configurations also. So go to the Spring Security config, and here we can do like login.permit all, that is fine, but apart from this we have to do the configurations like, hey, we have to accept those things also. Okay, so we can specify here login page. So we can write login page, and login page is nothing but /login. Okay, so those things we can specify here easily. Once you specify the login page, which is set the custom login page, so we are providing, hey, we have a custom login page, so we have to go to that page only. Okay, so it will not go to any other page. Okay, and then after you can write permit all. Okay, let's try to do it. So now go to the browsers and just try to remove this login page, and hit enters, click on login page. Now if you see, we are getting our own login page. Here if you give ABC, which is username, and 123 password, and try to submit. Once you submit, you are successfully logged in. Once you click and give some wrong password, ABC and 12345, and try to submit it, it's getting some error, it's sending some two errors. So those error we have to handle, and then after we have to display those error here. Okay, so how we can handle those errors and how we can proceed further, those we can discuss into the next video. But in this video we can just understood like how we can create a login page and how we can log in properly. Let me show you once again. So if I given the prints and the password is 123, and if I submit it, you can see login successfully. Okay, But if you go to the something logout and logout is not working as of now, okay, we can make it those also. And if you try to log in once again and give something password called users, and let's give something 123, it's saying hey, it's an error. So those we have to handles. Okay, thank you so much. We can discuss the error handling on the next videos.